Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by forcing the Indy EVO into its pairing state. This is the only way the iPhone will see them. You hold the primary earbud button for about 5-7 seconds. The LED flashes white or blue. Make sure the earbuds are out of the case or the case is open, because the headset prioritizes case docking. At the same time, you disable nearby Bluetooth devices to prevent automatic reconnects. This reduces interference and speeds discovery. On your iPhone, you go straight to Settings, then Bluetooth, and keep the screen active. iOS pauses discovery if the device sleeps. Once the Indy EVO is advertising, you will see it listed under Other Devices. Tap that name. The phone handles the Bluetooth profile automatically, so accept any pairing prompts. Once connected, iOS will show Connected for call and audio. This tells you the hands-free and media profiles are active. If you want stereo only, select the appropriate audio source and you finish by testing audio and mic immediately, play music, then make a quick call to confirm both earbuds are working. If something fails, put both buds in the case, then hold the button for 10 seconds to force a reset. This clears stuck states. If problems persist, use iPhone Bluetooth right arrow, tap the info icon right arrow, forget this device, then repeat pairing from the start. That resolves most issues, because it removes old pairing information and forces a fresh negotiation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.